Hey, welcome back to my channel. So today we will go through this abstract factory design pattern. So what is this? Which pa this pattern is basically a more abstract version of the factory design pattern. So basically what happens, earlier we have gone through this factory pattern and I have shown you how this works, right? So basically here, what we were doing, we were passing a parameter. On the basis of that, an object has been created by the factory class, right? So now I want to add one more abstract layer in this factory. Now I don't want this factory class to know which objects need to be created. So I wanted to add one more layer, another layer of abstraction in this my code. So in that case, what we can do, we can have one abstract factory class which will have a which will have subclass, and this subclass will be implementing my abstract class. And now what I'll do, I will pass this subclass, abstract subclass, as a parameter to my factory class, to this class. And this class will not know which objects needs to be created. It will just create the object with which the parameter has been passed, right? So you will know understand more better with the code implementation. So I'll quickly make one abstract abstract class. I mean abstract factory class. So let's see. So in this abstract class, let's quickly make uh, and I wanted the method to be pure virtual function, right? So, and obviously this factory will give me what? Give me the object. So the return type will be employee star, create employee, fine. I'll import, I'll include employee. Now everything's work fine. I will make subclass which will be implementing my abstract factory. So we can have Android factory. Okay, fine. Android factory, and this Android factory will be implementing abstract factory. Okay, I'll include abstract factory.h, and I need to rename with .h. Oh, what is this? Not a class or struct name. Okay, spelling was wrong. Okay, fine. Now I will just override my create element from abstract factory. So just a minute. I think battery is down. Okay, so I will implement this create employee in my Android factory. But okay, fine. And in here, I'll just return Android factory object. I mean pointer. Okay, before that, I have to include Android developer.h. Fine. What's happening? Return value does not match. Oh, sorry. Um, Fine. Okay. Before that, I have to make it public, and here also I'll make it public. Fine. So we have one abstract factory and we have Android factory, which is implementing my abstract factory. Here I've just returned the Android developer pointer. Fine. Now in my factory, I don't want a parameter uh, which will give responsibility to the factory to make object. I'm taking the responsibility of making object from factory. Okay, so here I'll pass abstract factory object. Fine. Now I can't pass string here. Instead, I need to pass abstract factory object, a pointer, basically. So I'll make I have to first include abstract factory. Okay, I have to include Android factory.h and I'll change it to edge. Okay, so what I have done, I've just made changes in just two file and included two file extra. So first of all, I have just declared one abstract factory where I have used pure virtual function, which is create employee. Now this Android factory is implementing my abstract factory and it is implementing or overriding the create factory method and inside which I'm returning just an Android developer. Okay, and this factory is himself don't know which objects I am returning. Fine, he himself don't know. I'm just passing an abstract factory pointer, and on the basis of that pointer, it's just creating or calling this create employee. And in the client class and main class, I have made Android factory pointer, which I have passed in factory class. So looks everything fine. Let's quickly compile this code. I mean this code, yeah. Okay, redefinitions. Uh, this I have already told you why I am using fact CPP. Basically, what happens when you are implementing the class again and again? So at the compilation time, it redefine itself. To prevent that, I have to use this pragma once. Means it will define at least one times. Oh, sorry, I can't use it. Okay, looks good. I'm getting Android developer salary at 5,000. It is your homework. You have to implement web developer factory also for this thing, for this abstract factory. So you just have to make one more abstract factory implementation. Basically, just like in this Android factory, you have to make another subclass of this abstract factory, and it will override the create factory and return the web developer. And in this inside factory, everything will be same. Just you have to make a new factory pointer here over here and pass web factory in the parameter of the factory get employee, and that's it. Everything will be fine. Yeah, okay. So yeah, this was the implementation of abstract factory, and basically pros is that it provides an extra factory layer, and it's kind of more uh, loose coupling, and you get a more abstract layer so that factory himself will don't know which objects you are creating or he is creating, it is creating. So it's kind of extra layer of a protections in your code base. So that's why it's this design pattern is used. So yeah, see you next time. Thank you.